In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border or outline to an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple design trick can instantly make your images pop and give your slides a clean, professional look, whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any personal project. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and loading the presentation you want to edit. If the app isn't open yet, launch it from your programs list, or by searching for it on your device, then open the file you'll be working on. Give the slide a moment to load so everything is ready. Now navigate to the slide that contains the image you want to update. Click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles or dots appear around the edges. Those handles are your visual cue that the image is active and ready for editing. If you don't see them, click once more to make sure the image is selected. With the image selected, look toward the top of the PowerPoint window. A contextual tab called Picture Format should appear. This tab provides tools specifically for working with images. Click Picture Format to open it. If you don't see it right away, make sure the image is still selected. The tab only shows when an image is active. Within the Picture Format tab, look for the option labeled Shape Outline. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may appear within a section called Drawing or Format. Click Shape Outline to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains border settings you can use to customize how the edge of your image looks. From the drop-down, choose a color for your border. For a cohesive look, consider using a color that matches your presentation's theme or brand accents. If you want stronger contrast, pick a color that stands out against your slide background. You can also explore additional color options to dial in a more specific shade if needed. As soon as you choose a color, PowerPoint will apply the border to your image immediately, so you can see the result right away. If the color isn't quite right, just return to the Shape Outline menu and try a different option. You can also remove the border entirely from the same menu if you change your mind. A quick tip, zoom in slightly to make sure the border looks clean against your background and aim for consistency across slides for a more polished feel. And that's it. You've successfully added a border to an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you never miss a new upload.